Hi, I'm Caro from the Energy Experts. I'm here at the beautiful property of Arthur and Prue Charles.
Yeah, it's important.
It's important, don't forget your wife. You've got a pretty decent sized system on your roof now, care of us. It was installed a couple of months ago. Tell us a little bit about your reasoning for installing this size system and this type of system.
We had the L panels. If you can see from the coverage here, there's a few trees. In the L panels, one bit of shade on one panel, the whole system stopped. We were getting no value out of the system we had. We rang up Caro, SolarEdge, because Caro's been doing a few of our friends, and said we need to get something that really gives us some benefit out of the sun and our solar energy. And so we made the decision.
Okay, and you've gone for an option that's battery ready and it's capable of offering you power in the event of a blackout. That was really important to you?
It's important to have an alternative when there is a blackout, but I wasn't quite sold on the batteries yet.
Arthur, you chose to install premium equipment. Your bills were really on the high side. The old system wasn't really cutting the mustard. What made you decide to choose the LG and the SolarEdge system?
Your advice, Caro, because I really wanted a system that worked, that gave us some real solar energy credits, which we were not getting. And it was your recommendation that the equipment that you were going to install was going to give us premium results.
And have you been happy looking at the app where you get to see the monitoring of your system? Are you happy with how the system's performing?
Oh, come on, Caro. I've looked at the app for a good 30 seconds, but what I've seen so far looks very exciting.
But the fact that you can see down to the individual panel,
oh yes.
Does that appeal to you in terms of troubleshooting your system?
Well, for a simple son of the soil like me, I do think that I have a system where I can turn on the app, and at once see which of the panels are working, how much credit I'm getting. It looks to me to be a very simple and effective and informative system.
Good, that's how you want it, right?
Oh my word.
Yeah, the simpler the better. What would you say to anyone who's considering installing solar but maybe has been holding off up until now?
Oh, I think I'd say to anyone it is time. It's inevitable that solar is going to get more and more powerful, more and more value to users, and I don't think anyone should delay making the decision.
All right, well thanks a lot for your time today.
That's a pleasure.
And go forth and spread the love, share the love.
I'm not going to go forth and multiply.
But spread the word about your good experience, and I'll be very interested to see your next electricity bill.
Terrific, so will I. Thank you, Caro. Thank you, Catherine.